Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting unboxing to share with you from Fashionphile. Want to find out what it is? Stick around. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name's Caleb. If you're new around here, you're going to find a lot of things like luxury shopping, travel, reveals, and unboxings. So if you like what you see today, hit that subscribe and like button and it really does help my channel grow. Now let's take a look and see what I got from Fashionphile. Alright, so you've all been patient enough, so let's get on with the reveal. Once this hit Fashionphile's website, I immediately put it on my watch list, and then once it hit the 20% off, right into my cart. I'm terrible. So the bag that I ended up ordering was the Balenciaga medium triangle pouch in the Persian blue. This color is so beautiful and the bag itself is so unique, I would really be surprised to bump into someone else carrying the same bag when I have it out. Now I've already snipped the tags. I know, with Fashionphile items, once you snip the little tag on the outside, you can no longer make any returns. I already filmed that bit, and then once I was watching the feedback, realized my mic wasn't working, so I had to refilm it. Regardless, I don't think I would be returning the bag anyway. Now, you're probably all wondering, what is going to fit inside such a strangely shaped and sized bag? Well, let's take a look. So the interior is actually quite spacious given that it's such a strange size. The lining is done in a nice black lambskin leather, and there's a built-in card holder here for convenience, which is great since we're not going to be able to get a full-size wallet in there. So today I'm just going to be carrying a few essentials. I have my new coin and card case from Louis Vuitton. Look how beautiful that is. My key holder from Prada, and of course my car key. Won't be getting far without that. Can't leave the house without my headphones, no matter what size my bag is. And then just for kicks and for size comparison, I'm using my old 6 Plus. Unfortunately, I'm filming on my current phone, so I can't really get that in there, but the 6 Plus is pretty much the same size as the Pro. And look at how beautiful that Gucci Blooms is with this Balenciaga leather. Gucci, bring back the blooms. All right, let's load this bad boy up. So let's start out with the phone first. Get that in there. Our wallet. That's so fun. For the keys, we'll probably have to stand them up just because that BMW key is so big. And let's get our headphones in there. So that is everything that you pretty much need for the day. So let's get this zipped up. And there you have it. The Balenciaga triangle pouch in the medium size. I definitely like it. I think this has been a great addition to my Balenciaga collection. Let me know if you guys want to see the rest of my collection. I have some pretty unique pieces from Balenciaga. All right, so that wraps up today's Balenciaga unboxing. What did you guys think? Did you like that bag? Is it something you'd carry? Let me know down in the comments. And if you don't already follow me on Instagram, make sure to check me out at caleb.snell.designer. And I'll make sure to link it down at the bottom as well for you. All right, well, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.